Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and in this video I will show you that how you can replace the old fuel gauge of a motorcycle. And its old fuel gauge is not working and it is not indicating the level of petrol in the fuel indicator in the meter. So it's very simple process, and you can see here we have to remove this four nuts here. And before doing this work, make sure that there is minimum amount of petrol in this tank. If there is more petrol, more than this level, then it will come outside, so you have to be careful about that. Don't put more petrol, or if there is lot of petrol, you can remove the petrol before doing this work. And here you can see we can remove this one. Yeah, you can see how I am taking this one outside. Yeah, okay, so this one is ready to come outside. Yes, so this old swell gauge came outside, and this is very old. Okay, and I will show you that what is defective in this gauge. Okay, and here there's one packing, so you have to remove this packing, and you have to clean this area nicely with one cloth here. Okay, nicely you have to clean everything. So here is our new fuel gauge, and its cost is 243 rupees. And here you can see this is our new one. And here they are not providing the new packing, so we have to use the old one. And before placing the old one, you have to make clear that there is no any crack and it can be used. Okay, so I am using the old one. So I am using a small amount of grease to place this packing here. Okay, now we are going to insert this new gauge here, and you have to remember the direction. Okay, so direction was like this. So yeah, it came nicely. Hold it. Okay, and at least place two nuts so that you can secure it. Okay, and there's lot of petrol in this tank, so it is up to here, so we have to do it fastly. Okay, it is secured, and now we'll put back remaining nuts. So after tightening all these nuts, this is going to be ready. So let me tighten it, and after that I will show you that how the indicator will start working. So I installed the tank, and now if you'll see, this indicator is working perfectly. Yes, it is showing the amount of petrol inside the tank. So now let's see what is the problem with that old fuel gauge. So here is our old fuel gauge. So I am removing this cover first. Yes. Yeah. So you can see what is the condition here. So here is the resistance. So whenever, what is the level of petrol, how it is showing. So this is the float, it is floating on the petrol. So here if the amount of petrol less inside your tank, so this float will be like this, then it will start moving like this. Yeah, when there is more petrol, it will start rising like this, and here it will count the amount of resistance. So this resistance is showing the amount of petrol inside the tank. And here if you see, it is made of thin wires, and here the connection is broken. You can see this wire came outside. I can't focus here. Wait. Yeah, you can see here the connection is damaged. You can see this wire is damaged, and you can see the wear and tear here, because this point is moving on this resistance, and this one wire came outside because of that uh, corrosion and wear and tear. So this is the condition why your fuel gauge is not working. You can see the mark of wear. Okay, and this is the point. So next time when you are having similar problem in your motorcycle, you can replace this fuel gauge at 200 something. So you can replace it within few minutes. So please like this video, share it among your friends and family, and at last, thank you for watching. We'll meet in next video.